Today we're going to explore what the template tag does in Logseq DB, the database version of Logseq, and our aim is to answer the question, why would we use the template tag instead of, say, #movie, like a specific tag? We'll run you through how it works in the Markdown version, then we'll switch over to the database version and go for an explore and figure it out. So why would you even need to use templates to begin with? Well, let's say that we see this movie that we want to watch, The Matrix, and we think, okay, maybe I can have year as a block, but formatting it like this is a little bit funky. It doesn't really look that great. It's a bit hacky. So we rethink it, and then we remember that we can define properties but we also think to ourselves, well, I don't want to type all of this stuff out every single time I want to log a movie. So then we can create a movie template. So you can actually create a template from this one block. If we right click on this and go to make a template, and then we call it movie, and to be able to use that, then we go into the movie page and we do / and we start writing template. Click on that, and you'll see here movie is an option within templates. So click on that, and lo and behold, we've got our properties here. So it saves us a bunch of time. The downside of the Markdown version is that you have to put it. Now we'll pop over to the database version that I have on screen now, and then we'll have an explore of the template tag itself and figure out, like, does it even have a use case? So we can press, instead of creating a tag in the journal page, we can do Control K and then do movie, create the tag movie. So the difference here is in the database version, it actually pops up a window where you can define properties. So if we add a property for year, then we're going to choose number for that one. Here we'll add genre, and then for genre we'll pick node. For the genre one, you can choose multiple values because there are oftentimes multiple genres when it comes to movies. We actually will add the tag in the title, and you'll notice here that the properties get defined before the first bullet point here. All right, now let's explore the template tag. So if we go into the template tag and we click this arrow, so where my mouse is there, we can click on that arrow, and then you will see the properties and so on. And it has this property here, apply template to. Okay, that's interesting, but this doesn't give us any real information. What are we supposed to do with this information? Let's have a look at the Logseq documentation and see if we can't get a clearer picture of what the purpose of templates are. So if we see here, template tag, a template has the tag #template. A template allows for blocks and their children to be easily copied. To create a template, write the name of the template in a new block and tag the block with #template. Then add children blocks, however many levels deep, until the template under the template block. To insert a copy of a template, use the /template command. It just clicked in my brain what you might use a template for. Okay, so when creating a template block, there is an optional apply template to tags property to use. This property provides interesting automation whenever a tagged node is created for a configured tag. For example, create a template and configure the property to apply to #journal. Now, whenever a journal page is created, the template gets applied at the top of the page. When a tagged node is a block instead of a page, for example, #task, the template is applied as the first child of the block. Templates can apply to built-in and user tags. Okay, let's see if we can figure out how to use this, because it's still not immediately clear. So one use case I thought of just now, like repeated information that you want to fill out in some way. So say for example, you're on some self-improvement journey or whatever, and you want to keep track of things, good habits that you get into during the day. I don't know. Let's just keep it simple, right? So let's just say, like, I want to make sure I eat breakfast every day. So then how would we create a template to achieve this and keep track of this? So do we just do hashtag template here? It may only come on new journal pages, but we should be able to have meeting on tomorrow. As soon as I apply the template, it's not allowing me. This seems like a very specific bug. So we can't even test this because it just keeps breaking. So I think this is pretty broken right now. So it's really, the bug is linked to whenever the template is linked to the journal tag. Okay, I don't know what else to write now. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'm probably gonna cut a whole bunch out of this because the template hashtag is simply just not working the way that it is supposed to. Okay, the template feature in the database version of Logseq seems entirely useless as it stands right now. So yeah, I think I'm slowly starting to understand the difference between how we've been creating templates and the hashtag template. Because the hashtag template, I think, is kind of like automation going forward. Creating a new tag for morning routine. And then we will do morning routine here, like so. And then the properties, add a property, 8 breakfast. And this we can actually put it as a checkbox. Went for run, put it as a checkbox. Okay, that will do. Try the template one more time. Apply template to tags. We'll try morning routine, then we'll go here and creating my new morning routine, hashtag morning routine. So now it's working. So that works. So if we tag any block with this one, so we can remove these because that's redundant, right? And if we go here, then we can see which days we ate breakfast, which days we went for a run. I hope you got something out of this. See you in the